Almost every tech team in the world runs on Agile, but a surprising number of professionals in those teams don't fully understand it. Agile, Scrum, Sprint, Stand-up, Backlog. If you've worked anywhere near an IT team in the last decade, you've heard these words, possibly every single day. But if someone asked you to explain exactly what Agile is and how Scrum works, could you do it clearly? In this video, I'm going to make sure the answer is yes, because understanding Agile is essential for every IT professional, regardless of your role or location. Agile is a project management philosophy, a set of values and principles for how teams should work together to deliver software. It emerged in 2001 when a group of software developers published the Agile Manifesto, frustrated with the heavyweight, slow waterfall approach. The core idea: deliver working software frequently, embrace changing requirements, and collaborate closely with customers throughout the project. In the traditional waterfall model, a project flows linearly through phases: requirements, design, development, testing, deployment. Each phase must complete before the next begins. If requirements change halfway through, which they always do, it's expensive and slow to adapt. Agile replaces this with short, iterative cycles called sprints, typically 2 weeks. At the end of each sprint, you have working software. Requirements evolve. Feedback is fast. Delivery is continuous. Scrum is the most widely adopted Agile framework globally. It defines specific roles, events, and artifacts. The 3 Scrum roles are: the product owner, who defines and prioritizes what gets built; the Scrum Master, who facilitates the process and removes obstacles; and the development team, who does the building. The main Scrum events are sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. The product backlog is the master list of everything that needs to be built, ordered by priority. The sprint backlog is the subset of items the team commits to in the current sprint. The increment is the working, usable product delivered at the end of each sprint. These 3 artifacts keep the team aligned and the project transparent, in any organization, in any country. Scrum Master, Agile Project Manager, Delivery Manager, and Product Owner are all well-compensated roles in demand across every major global tech market. Key certifications: PSM 1, Professional Scrum Master; CSM, Certified Scrum Master; SAFe certifications for Enterprise Agile; PMIACP for project managers. All are globally recognized. Whether you're a developer, QA tester, business analyst, cloud engineer, or data scientist, you will work in an Agile team somewhere in your career. Understanding Scrum ceremonies, how to write user stories, how sprints work, and how backlogs are managed makes you a better team member and a more hireable candidate worldwide. Agile is not just a methodology, it's the language of modern IT delivery globally. Uplatz offers Agile, Scrum, and project management courses to give you the theory, the certification prep, and the practical frameworks to excel. Visit uplatz.com to explore our courses. Subscribe for more IT career content every week.